This shows you the 3 circuit checker. This one is by Sperry. This is by Klein Tool. This is Uni-T. Uni-T is defective. I'm going to show you right now. Taking the Sperry. Here's an outlet. 2 lights. That means it's correct. Okay, the wiring's correct. This is Klein Tool. Correct. 2 lights go on. Okay. This is Uni-T. For correct, 2 lights, 2 green lights on each end. Okay? Only 1. Here, watch this. See? This is correct. This is wrong. Here, with Klein Tool. This is correct. This is not reading correct. This is defective.